Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check does your Samsung Galaxy S25 supports eSIM. Okay, so we are on the IMEI info page, just like always, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our Samsung Galaxy S25. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on that site, and in that video I'm also showing how to find the IMEI number. Alright, so once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. As you can see, we have our Galaxy S25. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. They're on the left side, right in here, and as you can see, the second option from the top is eSIM compatibility check. So that's the thing that we are interested in. Click on check eSIM compatibility, and now we have our answer. This device supports eSIM. Below we can see how many number of SIM cards we also have on this device. We can take a look at our IMEI number. We can see that in here we have another confirmation that eSIM compatibility is on, and below we can see the date on which the report was created at. Also we can buy the eSIM or perform the blacklist premium check. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.